So now we got area, we got the side x, correct now? We got the side x. Now what we will do, we will find out the area of square. We can find out area of square ABCD is equals to side into side. Side into side is nothing but x into x, correct now? Or you can say area of square is equal to side square. Just we will write side into side. Now side square we will write down. So better we will get it little faster. Side square. And this x is nothing but a side. This x is nothing but a side. So we will write 512 whole square. Correct? So this square and square cancel. Area of square ABCD is equal to 512 centimeter square. So we got area of square, but we do not want like area of square. We want the each part area. So let us find out the first part and second part. Both the part area is equal. You can see that this is ABCD. This is ABCD here. ABCD is the area of a square. If we get area of square, just it is divided into two parts. Area is divided into two parts, so just divide area of square by 2, you will get both the part area. Area of ABD is equal to area of BCD, which will be equal to area of ABCD by 2. Area of ABD and area of BCD is equal. It is nothing but half of area of square ABCD. 512 by 2. So divided 2 ones are 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10, 2 6 are. So we got area of ABD equals to area of BCD equals to 256 centimeter square. This is the first and second part we got. First part, second part we got. Now we should find out third part. Understood everybody? Any doubt up to here? So now we will find out area of triangle ECF. Area of triangle ECF. So ECF, this is small triangle in which this is 6, this is 6, this is 8. So let us find out the S, semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is equal to 6 plus 8 divided by 2. 20 divided by 2, we will get 10. S is equal to 10 centimeter. Right, Farhan? Now we will find out area of ECF. Okay, is equal to root of S, nothing but 10. 10 of minus 6, 10 of minus 6, 10 of minus 8, right, Prapti? Root of 10, 4, 4, 2. So first only I have this perfect square. These 4 are perfect square. Without wasting time, I will write that first. 4 square, right? And this 10 is there, I will write as 2 5s are. Into 2 I will write. So again this 2 and this 2 are perfect square. So I can write this as root 2 square, 4 square into 5. I can finally write the answer as 2 into 4 into root 5. You will get 8 root 5. Now I should find out the value of 8 root 5 because in your textbook they did not give 8 root 5. They have given in the decimal. So let us write that. Let us find out the value of 5. Let us find out the value of 5. So you know the division method. Again, I will tell you, one who don't know can concentrate. 5 can written at 5.00 We will write 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 will get 1, and this you can take down 0 0 with your point. And whatever you wrote, that should be added. Okay. Next also is there, so please understand this one. 42s are 2. 84 will get. Will remain 16. Again you can take 2 zeros down. Okay. And this is 2 will be added. These 2 zeros will come down. One more digit. We have a double 4. I want here 16. So if I write here also 4. If I write here also 4 and here also 4. So 4 into 4 means 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16, 17. 4 4s are 16, 7. So 1700 will get, which is, we do not want 1700. We want 16. That time only I knew it, that this 4 4s will give 16. So it will be more only. But I just wanted to show you. So 3 only will be better. 4 4 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 13. 1 3 2 9. Now if you minus, will get here 5, here 9, here 10, 1 7 2. Another 2 zeros take down. And add this 3 here. This is the last one, last number, then we will decide it, what to write. So we have now 4 4 6. We have 4 4 6. We want here 27. So I can write here 6. As I know 6 4s are 24 will get, correct now? I can write 6. Multiply. 6 6 are 36. 6 is 36, 39. 6 4 are 24, 27. 6 4 are 24, 26. So yes, we will get 6. We wrote here 6. So we got the answer 2.236, which can be written as 8 into 2.24. As this 36 is there, so we can write as 4. So multiply 8 into 2.24, you will get 8 4s are 32, 8 2s are 16, 19, 8 2s are 16, 17. 17.92 centimeters square. This is the third part.